Kanye West. Yeah, I saw this. He did this weird video where I guess he's kidnapping Pete Davidson. Is it stop motion? Yeah, it's stop motion. He's kidnapping Pete Davidson, then burying him alive.
It's like a puppet show, right?
But it's stop motion. It's like a clay.
Right.
It's like a clay Pete Davidson and a clay Kanye West.
Why?
And he pulls the bag off of his head, and then he has rose seeds, and he pours the rose seeds into the, I guess, grave, and then the roses grow up around Pete Davidson's head.
While he's still alive, apparently.
Yeah, no, he's
Davidson?
definitely buried alive. I guess the track features the verse, "God saved me from the crash just so I can beat Pete Davidson's ass." And the video shows animated Pete being buried alive by Kanye.
Oh.
I guess there's like some sort of artistic freedom, right? So, and then a truck pulls up with flowers, which is a thing he did in real life that he sent to Kim Kardashian.
Right, on Valentine's Day or something.
It was a truck full of flowers. I think she probably didn't want
roses,
at the time.
I'd imagine.
I don't think she wanted at the time.
Oh man.
And then then it says everyone lives happily ever after.
Yeah.
At the end, with the what word was circled? Happily.
Happily.
I guess he could say it's all a performance, right? He could say it's art.
He could say these things.
He could say these things.
But
then Mo could say, hey, man, this is creepy.
This is really creepy.
Stop being so obsessed. And the fact that this is so based in real world activities and seemingly real world frustration, like move on type of thing.
It just seems like something you would do in high school.
I mean, I didn't do that. I wouldn't do that in high school.
No, but I mean, like, it seems like something like, what, get
Just
revenge?
You mean
Listen,
childish?
Mo, I don't know. Listen,
No,
Mo,
not to
I
this
don't.
extent,
I
but
didn't
I'm
know you
saying-
in high school, all right, Mo?
Right.
I understand you were pretty moody.
Yeah, I was. I made a few tracks and a few music videos.
I get what you're saying. Just
No,
childish acts.
Mo, I'm joking.
No.
Yeah, it's not subtle either, right? It's not.
No, I don't think he's trying to be subtle.
But there's something about this not being subtle, which makes it even more. Like, would you call this cringe? I don't think he's actually going to harm Pete Davidson, if that's what you're trying to tell me.
I don't know. If they see each other at a club?
So no. I guess I wasn't thinking more along those. There probably would be
like
an
premeditated.
altercation. Yeah, like actually like this.
Oh, yeah.
Like
no, I don't think so.
But at the same time, it's like, if you're Pete Davidson and you see this, what is your, like, I know he's been trying to text him and say, hey, man.
Yeah.
Like, chill. And it hasn't been working, obviously. There is no chill here.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to work.
But do you feel more threat or more cringe? Which would it be?
I feel more cringe.
Yeah, same here.
So not threat.
No.
It's less threatening and it's more just awkward where you're just like, come on.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, that's you guys. I didn't say that.
Yeah.